guys, welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be making
banana bread.
So for those of you who aren't already subscribed, please hit that red button with that notification bell, and please like if you like this video, and leave a comment down below. And stay tuned. What we'll be using for the ingredients for the banana bread is 4 ripe banana, 2 cups of brown sugar. What is this, Maya? 2 eggs?
Yeah.
Cinnamon powder.
This is 2 eggs, guys.
We're gonna use a teaspoon of salt.
Mommy, you told me that's 2 eggs.
We're gonna use baking powder.
Baking powder.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Some vanilla extract. Some almond spice. And 2 cups of flour. 2 cups of flour. And 1 cup of butter. So that's all we'll be using in this banana bread. So firstly, we're gonna cream the brown sugar with the butter. We're gonna cream the sugar with the butter. Now that this is nice and creamy, we're gonna unpeel our bananas. You're gonna help me, right? Peel one, man.
Well, I want to this eerie one. I'll choose this one. Ooh. Skinny.
Are you gonna mash them for me, or you want me to do it?
I want me to do it.
Okay.
I don't want this.
You're gonna mash them like that.
I want mash them like that. And why are you gonna mash this up?
Because you're gonna put it in that. Let me help you for a minute, then you do it.
I'm done with my hands.
Okay, do it now. I have to make them soft.
Yeah. Got to make these.
Not the bowl. The banana, the fruit. You must like that.
Like food, okay.
Push it down, not like
this.
yeah.
Like that.
Yeah. Push it so it get nice and soft. Like, hold my hand. See, look, feel, see?
Nice. How my arm does that? Cool. So why would we have to do that like that?
Why we have to do this?
Yeah.
So we can have all the flavors of the banana.
Yeah.
So do that.
Like that.
Okay.
Then mommy then.
Now that the banana is nicely beaten, we're gonna add it to the sugar and the butter.
It's gonna be like a banana bready.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like a banana
We're
bready.
gonna add 2 eggs. But we're gonna whisk it first. You're gonna whisk it, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna take your time.
Wow, that's cute. Oopsie. There. Mom, this is egg yolks.
Yeah, they're eggs, Moya. What do you think?
Mom, them mixed up together.
Yeah.
I like them mixed up
Faster,
together.
faster.
Faster, your dad?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
But you have to take your time. Okay?
Okay.
So that they blend.
This on my head, Mommy.
Okay.
But that's okay. I'll wipe it off.
Okay. Finish now. Now that this is nicely blended.
I'm gonna put it in there.
Yeah, you're gonna pour that in there.
Put it in there.
Yeah, you're gonna pour this in the mixture.
Just the mold down.
Everything. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vanilla.
That's enough. Stir it now.
1 tablespoon of almond spice. And then we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay.
It's so delicious. It's like a pie or something.
Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. 1. Okay.
Just throw one in there. And then,
1 tablespoon. My name cinnamon. Cinnamon powder.
just throw one in there. I'm doing.
And 1.
I'm doing on mine.
You wanna do it?
Yeah, I'll do it.
You do it.
Okay.
Take your time. You don't want to grate your finger.
No,
Take your time.
I don't grab my finger.
And that is about 1 tablespoon. This is optional. I forgot to mention it earlier, so you could add some raisin to it. But
Well,
if you don't have any, that's okay.
put over it.
Yeah.
Put over it, Mommy.
Yeah, all of it.
There. Let's get it now.
No, then we're gonna
It's big.
add it.
It's big, Mommy. I know to hold it fast.
We're gonna add 2 cups of flour. But this is half cup measurement.
Put over it.
Yeah. So we're gonna add 4 of this. More.
Oh?
1 more.
Mommy, you put it over it and then.
Yeah.
You put all over the mommy. I see that you put.
Third, we're gonna fold in the ingredients. The flour. We're gonna fold in everything together. Now that this is nicely mixed, we're gonna preheat we set our oven to preheat, and now we're gonna grease our baking dish. Now we're gonna grease our baking dish. What we're using to grease is just some butter. You can use oil, you can use parchment paper, but I'm using some butter, and I'm greasing it properly so that none of the butter don't stick together when it bakes. Just like that. Now you want to give this a nice tap. Just like that. And you don't want to fill up your baking tin all the way to the top, because you have to leave some space for it to rise. Okay? Now we're gonna add it in the oven for about 45 minutes. And we're gonna come back. Guys, this is the finished product of our banana bread, and this takes us approximately 45 minutes to bake. Smells nice? Smells nice?
It's so nice.
Still hot.
No.
Still hot.
No. I feel my hand, but it's not hot.
It's not hot?
No.
Okay, wait.
Hey, Mom, it's almost hot. So, Mommy, to me.
It's warm.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna taste it for them.
Yep. Give me that.
Moist.
Huh? Yes, no, I'm toasty. I want to eat it.
You can't wait to eat it too, my God.
Done. Come in.
Good?
Yeah. See me, Mommy.
Thanks for watching our video, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Like and share.
Share.
How was the banana bread?
Yummy.
You sure? It's nice? So we enjoy making this video for you guys. If you know anybody who don't know how to make banana bread, or if you don't know how to make banana bread, just follow our recipe and try it for your family. Bye guys. Love you.
Bye guys. Love you.